Traveling is an amazing way to explore the world, but it's important to protect the planet while we do it. Today, we're diving into simple yet impactful ways you can travel sustainably and reduce your carbon footprint. Let's make your next adventure a little greener. 1. Choose eco-friendly transportation. First things first, how you get there matters. Opt for trains, buses, or shared rides whenever possible. If you're flying, consider direct flights, as they produce less carbon per passenger. For short distances, why not bike or walk? It's good for you and the planet. 2. Stay in green accommodation. Support hotels and lodges that are committed to sustainability. Look for certifications like Green Key or EarthCheck. These places often use renewable energy, minimize waste, and even support local conservation projects. 3. Travel light. Pack light to reduce the plane's overall weight, which lowers fuel consumption. Bonus: a lighter bag makes your trip easier and more enjoyable. Quality over quantity is the way to go. 4. Eat local and seasonal. Skip imported food and enjoy local, seasonal dishes instead. This reduces transportation emissions and supports the local economy. Plus, it's a delicious way to immerse yourself in the culture. 5. Reusable essentials are a must. Say goodbye to single-use plastics. Carry a reusable water bottle, metal straws, and tote bags. Small changes like these add up and keep unnecessary waste out of landfills. 6. Respect wildlife and nature. Admire wildlife responsibly by keeping your distance and never feeding animals. Stick to marked trails and avoid picking plants. Remember, nature thrives best when it's left undisturbed. 7. Offset your carbon footprint. Consider offsetting your emissions by supporting projects that combat deforestation or invest in renewable energy. Many airlines and travel platforms now offer carbon offset options when you book your trip. Traveling sustainably doesn't mean sacrificing fun or adventure. It's about making thoughtful choices that help protect our beautiful planet. What's your favorite eco-friendly travel tip? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel inspiration. Let's keep exploring responsibly.